In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Samsung Notes on your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. So if you're missing the Notes app and you'd like to install it so that you can be able to use it, then this is what you're going to do. You're going to choose whether you want to install it from the Galaxy Store or from the Google Play Store. Once you've made your choice, simply use the search function in any app store and simply type in the words Samsung and then Notes and then select search. Once you've searched for it, you should see it appearing in the search results. So tap on it and then select install and wait for the app to be downloaded onto your phone. Again, if you're using the Galaxy Store, it will be the same thing. Just going to go ahead and search for it, and then you should be able to see it in the search results. Tap on it and then select install. Now, once it's been installed, you can choose to launch it from your App Store, whether it's Galaxy Store or Play Store, or you can just navigate to the App Store, look for the app from there, and tap on it to launch it. Once you've gone through the process of setting it up, if you've had previous notes saved to your account, you should be able to see them here. If not, then, and it's your first time, you could just start by tapping on this new note icon and start creating notes on your phone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.